In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Storj future while talking about Storj cost estimate for 2022 and then some. Kindly especially remember that you ought to believe this and any kind of other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Storj. Presently, how about we head into it, which especially is genuinely critical, before we dive exceptionally profound into the Storj value expectation and answer questions in the event that Storj especially is a kind of wise venture or not. For what reason will Storj basically succeed or explicitly come up short, or for what reason will Storj value rise or drop? We should rapidly really toss a look at what certainly is Storj and its to-date history. Storj value expectation for the exceptionally next 10 days in an unobtrusive manner. The very entire crypto world truly is on an edge of an extremely complete breakdown in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin by and large has fallen 75% from its untouched extremely high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in an unobtrusive manner. When explicitly add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon explicitly is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town in an unpretentious manner. Financial backers for the most part are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional essentially steady business sectors in an every way that really matters, significant way. Crypto in a real sense is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous in a real sense play, and subsequently the auction in a sort of huge manner. Our algo still sees a some truly green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year in an unobtrusive manner. This is basically reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move in the for the most part inverse heading and truly alter the course in a fundamentally significant manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to generally do likewise. We in a real sense have seen this situation many certainly times in the far off and certainly later history. Our cost expectation model in a real sense is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an all things considered, huge way. We sort of anticipate whales and other sort of greater players in the market to really wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each task. Basics that we truly assess sort of our group: tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical sort of potential, and a few other genuinely exclusive variables created in our crypto lab in an exceptionally significant way. Storj value forecast 2022. High expansion and very perilous full-scale circumstance generally pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, or so they thought. At the point when we certainly take the interior crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 generally isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls, which is very critical. We will likely for the most part see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to by and large slip lower with each fundamentally minor market quake, which is very huge. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be in an essentially significant manner. Underneath for the most part is a month-by-month breakdown of the by and large last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2022 DEC, 16.24%, 28 cents, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. 2023 Jan, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. 28.71% $0, 2387, 2023 Feb incredibly. 17.45%, 27 cents in a truly significant manner. 2023 blemish, or so they thought. 15.37% $0, 2834, 2023 APRA in a really significant manner. 8.35% $0, 3069, 2023 May, or so they thought. Plus 1.22% $0, 3389, 2023 June. Plus 5.80% $0, 3543, 2023 Jul, which truly is genuinely critical. Plus 12.83% $0, 3778, 2023 AUG, which for the most part is very critical. Plus 19.96% $0, 4017, 2023 SEP in an unobtrusive manner. Plus 27.97% $0, 4285, 2023 AUG. Plus 38.46% $0, 4636, 2023 NOV, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. plus 45.50% 48 cents STORJ value forecast 2025 in an unpretentious manner. Our forecast model sees STORJ coming to 87 cents in 2025. What will STORJ for the most part be worth in 5 years in an unpretentious way? The cost of STORJ in 5 years could essentially lie around 74 cents, which is very huge. Storj value expectation 2030 to 2040, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. What Storj will be worth in 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Our determining model sees Storj coming to $2.20 in 2030 in a very significant manner. What Storj will especially be extremely worth in 2040, which explicitly is very critical. Our determining model sees Storj coming to $4.39 in 2040. Will Storj really trade, by and large outperform, generally overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Storj won't explicitly supplant or truly overwhelm BTC. Could Storj at any point in a real sense reach $10 amazingly? Indeed, Storj could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025, which is very huge. Might Storj at any point most certainly reach $1,000, which is very huge? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Storj to for the most part reach $1,000 in the truly short or midterm period, in spite of prevalent thinking. Is Storj worth purchasing, which all things considered, is very critical. We generally are backers of respectably dangerous money management. Essentially put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins and the rest in little tasks with immense potential gain in a quite huge manner. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Storj is truly worth purchasing, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Is Storj a very wise speculation? Storj is, very much like all truly other digital currencies, a hazardous interest in an unpretentious way. It truly does generally have higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the kind of good use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. How fundamentally much will Storj in a real sense be worth? For the very momentary future, it could in every way that really matters, reach 20 cents. In the very long haul, it could leap to $2.20 or even a lot higher in a significant manner. For what reason will Storj explicitly succeed and get more expensive, which sort of is genuinely huge? Storj has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a kind of strong group behind it, which sort of is very critical. These most certainly are an essential for progress. And that most certainly is the reason our expectation model sees Storj ascending to $2.20 in 2030, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. For what reason will Storj basically fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects basically come up short in light of multiple factors in a huge way. The absolute most beautiful normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the task. Controllers sort of announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration. More effective contenders. Absence of all-around plan showcasing procedure. Losing local area support. Likely weakness in the convention. Neglecting to basically accomplish expected pretty least development action on the convention. Neglecting to